How to change voice on Discord mobile. First, we need to install another app called Voice Changer. Download Voice Changer with effects and install. Once installed, tap Open. And in here, we can record our voice. Tap the mic to start recording. Tap while using the app. Hello, this is my voice. After recording our voice, we can select an effect. For example, we select helium, tap the play button.
Hello, this is my voice.
As you can see, our voice already changed. And then tap Options, Save Recording. Okay, so we already recorded our voice. It's time to navigate to Discord app. Tap to open Discord app, and in here, tap anyone in which you want to send your message, and then tap plus, and then select the file. So in here, you need to tap audio to select recordings. So here we have the helium as our file. And then there you have it. So just send this file and you already changed your voice when sending messages to Discord.